Very good morning. Today we will start chapter 2 using Excel as a database. Actually, Excel is a database software. But before moving ahead, we will see some examples of hard database, the database that we have been using already. For example, the telephone diary in which we keep or we store the telephone numbers of our friends and relatives. Address book in which we consist the address of our friends and relatives. The attendance register in which our class teacher consists the record of the students like roll number, admission number and name of the students, and they take daily attendance and hence keep their record, daily record, that which students are present or not. These are the some examples of hard database. And Excel is a database software. The similar records that we keep in telephone diary or address book can be kept in Excel, can be maintained in Excel. So Excel is a software, database software. So a database is a collection of, more precisely, we can define database as a database is a collection of information related to a particular object. For example, phone numbers, a list of library books, keeping students record. For example, all the records of the students of a school is kept in the school database, etc. Basically, a database consists the information in the form of table, and we all are familiar with table. A table consists the data. What is a table? Table is made by columns and rows. Table is basically the combination of columns and rows. Columns are vertical and rows are horizontal. We all have been using tables in maths or in other subjects also. For this, we just label the column, that is, we give the name of the column. For example, here in the given table, this is the database of the student's mark sheet. And here, this table consists the roll number, name and different subjects as the column. So now I will define the next field. Next term is the field. Basically, in a table, each column is a field, and a field is the area in a table which consists only one type of information. For example, here first column is labeled as roll number. So this column will consist only the roll numbers of the students. In the next column is the name field. That is, it will consist only the names of the students and so on. So in a database, a column is a field that contains similar type of data. And the next is record. A row in a database is referred as a record that consists of the information about one person. Basically, a record is the collection of one record is the collection of all the related fields. Field name. It is a column label or column name for the field. For example, here roll number and name, these are the column label, or more precisely we can say field name. So these are the field name. Now the next topic is using a form to enter data. So first I will explain what is a form. A form is a window that contains various fields to enter, modify and view one record at a time. And one thing is to be noticed that we can use form only when we have created the database already. Basically, form is used, the advantage of form is that it it is used to enter one record at a time. Each field name it each field name holds field name so that any user who views the form or enter data in it gets an idea of its contents. A form also consists the various command buttons and other controls that perform the various tasks. When we enter information into a form, this information gets saved directly in the database. And one advantage of the form is that it saves us the data to be seen by the other person. The next is adding a new record using form. This topic is basically lab oriented, so we will explain this. I will explain this during the lab more clearly. As form is used to add a record, one record at a time, so here the steps how we can use form to enter a new record in the form. The next is searching a record. We can also search one record using form. To do so, just click on the form button and select the criteria button in the sheet 1 dialog box and type the data that we want to search in the appropriate field. For example, in the given example here, in the roll number box, the roll number has been typed, that is 104, and after pressing enter key we will get all the information of the students having roll number 104, that is his name, his or her name, and the marks obtained by him or her in all the subjects. And basically Excel 2016, the form is not on the seen on the toolbar. We will have to bring it, and I will explain it during the lab period. Deleting a record. We can delete one record using form. We will do this during the lab. And now the next topic is sorting data. Sorting literally means arranging. Sorting data means arranging the data either in ascending or descending order. Once we create a database, and later on we can arrange the data in ascending or descending order accordingly. In a worksheet, data can be sorted in the rows on the basis of text, that is, we can arrange the data on the basis of rows, not on the basis of columns. Once the data is organized, it becomes easy to work on it. I will explain, we will do this during the lab. And the next is filtering data. Filtering. What is filter? This term is familiar, but in a database, the filter feature allows us to see only some of the data, whereas it hides rest of the data. Suppose in the given table, we want to see only the few records. For example, students having marks 82 and 98 in any subject. So here we can see only the records of the students having marks 82 and 98 in English subjects. So using filtering data we can do so, and we will see only these two records, the record of two students, whereas it hides the rest of the data. So basically filter feature provide us the facility to see only the desired data while it hides the rest of the data. And the next is using advanced filters. Advanced filter option is used to filter the data in multiple fields using a specified criteria. This topic is also lab oriented, So we will do this during the lab. And you all watch the video again. Basically, this chapter is lab oriented, and we will clear whatever is left right now during the lab period.